seems to have died down. So no one, I have no viewers at this point, but I think it's recording, so oh, this is going to be so annoying. Okay. So I'm driving home. It looks, Blizzard Park, well, it's probably just a little lull here in the storm, but it just looks like there's snow on the road. It looked like it got some ice underneath of it, because it was, oh, that guy's got to be just cold. Girl, whatever. Yeah, so it kind of started snowing, and it was like 32 degrees out, so it was wet snow. And then the temperature dropped, and now it's like packed ice under snow. Looked on the, there's an app you can get on your iPhone for Google Maps, and you can see all of the traffic. So anyone who has an Android device or Google Maps on their phone, it tracks how fast you're going, and it's all anonymous supposedly, but you can basically track how fast everyone's going, and they can show on a map the trend of how slow or how fast everyone's going, and if it's red marks all over, and like the whole Des Moines, Ankeny, all over was just full of red marks. I mean, everyone's driving super slow, and so yeah, this will be interesting. I've heard there's a lot of accidents. I've heard there's a lot of traffic jams, things like that. I wish I had my like a second device here running with the map on it, so I could see which roads I shouldn't take, which I should. But anyways, I'm driving a Chevy Blazer, four-wheel drive Chevy Blazer, but the four-wheel drive switch doesn't work. It just quit working a couple weeks ago, and so just gotta. I'm pushing the button randomly to see if I can just maybe get it to switch over. See, like right now my tires are spinning. That is super annoying when in four-wheel drive. At the touch of a button, I could be in four-wheel drive, but no, it just won't go. So hopefully I don't get stuck, because it's like worse to be in a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. Which is worse. Anyways, oh, I have a viewer. Welcome, viewer. I'm attempting to drive home in my four-wheel drive Blazer that only works in two-wheel drive. Oh, my tires are spinning. Just barely touching the gas, my tires spin. That's why people are going in the ditch, because everything looks normal, but it's ice underneath because of the wet snow that got packed down before. So hopefully I don't get in a wreck, although I'm kind of hopeful that I get in a minor wreck that's not my fault, because I have full coverage. But I don't really want anyone to get hurt, so I recant that statement. But anyways, right now, oh yeah, I can't go faster than 30. I push on the gas, my rear end tries to spin out from behind me. That's awesome. If someone's watching right now, it would be really helpful if you, hey, now my four-wheel drive switch won't even like light up. Oh man. Yeah, I probably overheated the sensor. Okay, I need to go on a road that doesn't have a lot of hills, because I'm gonna get stuck. I wouldn't even be able to get out of it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's horrible. You probably can't see that in the camera, but my car is spinning sideways if I just barely touch the gas pedal. Oh, it's epic. Okay. So I'm going to stop at this light, and we'll see what happens. Four-wheel drive is definitely not working. Even if I could get the four-wheel drive blow to work, that would be amazing. Maybe if I... are wrong. Wrong. I've driven this Blazer all winter long in the 4-wheel drive, and it feels like dry, regular roads. Now all of a sudden, I can't even hardly go. This is gonna be a nightmare. I'm never gonna get out of here. Someone's gonna slide through the intersection and hit me. We're all gonna die. Okay, here we go. Nope, nope, that car's going straight. Nope, he's apparently turning me off. Bad. Jeez. Doesn't help that I have horrible tires. People behind me in their Jeep are probably going, "Put it in 4-wheel drive, you dummy!" Can't. It won't go. It just won't go. Gotta be the most ironic and worst thing in the world is to be in a 4-wheel drive vehicle and the 4-wheel drive won't work. Do you think if I keep pushing the button it'll work? No. Oh, 2 gears. Stuck on this hill and I'm never going to get up it. Where's the plows? Where's the help? Where's the... Because this road, I can tell you, has not been plowed. If it has, barely. Oh yeah, give me some momentum. Give me some momentum up the hill. If you just joined us, I am driving my Blazer in 2-wheel drive because the 4-wheel drive won't go in. Which means that my rear wheels are what's powering my vehicle, where most cars, it's the front. Oh yeah, it's spinning. That guy doesn't have his headlights on. That's not a good idea. Maybe you should turn those on, buddy. Yep, all the people behind me are flashing now. Oh, speaking of people behind me, I can't see out my mirror because it's completely covered. But we're going 20. I'm currently at Northeast 14th and 74th, coming into the south side of Ankeny. And I can only see the cars coming towards me because of their headlights. The iPhone overexposes. It looks a lot brighter on the iPhone screen right now than it actually is to my eyes. And so most of these cars, if they didn't have their headlights on, I wouldn't see them coming. Like the one that didn't have a headlight. So, coming up here on Dulles, south side of Ankeny, 22 miles an hour. This is definitely the type of weather right now that if you don't need to go somewhere, I wouldn't recommend driving in it. The weather maps and things are saying, or not the weather maps, the man, that's great. The traffic maps are showing some serious traffic. If you go and look at a Google map with the traffic turned on, in this Moyne area, Ankeny area, it's red everywhere. I mean, it's just bad. So we're in the 45 mile an hour zone. Going from 50 to 45 mile an hour zone. I'm going 25. And it's mostly because I can't actually go faster. If there was no one in front of me, I don't think I could actually go faster. Like, anytime I push the gas pedal, my tires spin. So I'm just kind of getting my momentum up going, and kind of get to the same speed, and I can barely see now. That car ain't stopping. Ain't stopping. Oh! Guess you're going the other way there, buddy. Get over the lane. can't really see what's going on in this intersection up here. Train with my wipers. One viewer. One person is going to watch me die. That's it. I cannot believe there's this many people out there. Probably just trying to get home from work. I am upping my warning. Do not drive in this. At least wait a little bit. Something. I cannot see BMAC campus. I'm right next to it. Crazy. Crazy. I'm now about 27 miles an hour. Wow. I can't even get my window clean. The snow is blowing so much. And blowing fresh snow out my window. And it's just crazy. I got my defrosters on. Wow, it's hot. Okay, gonna start stopping now. That person just ran a red light because they So now I'm at Cafe PM. Sliding. I'm sliding at 2 miles an hour. Just barely touch the brakes to slide. That's just solid ice. Yes, handle brake kicking in. Okay, here we go. Trying to go. Barely pressed on the gas. Spinning. And it got traction at about 50 miles an hour. Where's my four-wheel drive? Again, my four-wheel drive does not work. Should have gotten that fixed sooner, shouldn't I? Yes, I should. Really hot up here. Frost. I'm trying to keep the snow flying on me. Just gotta get to those side streets. Wait for all these crazy people. Man, I can totally see though. If you were driving four-wheel drive and you thought that you could go, you could not stop. Like, this is not stopping. Every single place I've driven, it's ice underneath. Wet, slushy snow on top. Worst combo. Blowing snow, traffic. It's 5 o'clock traffic. All we gotta do too is get to this lane. We can get onto the side streets. If I can even see. I literally feel like I'm driving on a blade device. But worse. Here we go, turning at Meridian. Right by the Ankeny High School. Now on a magazine, I believe. Of course, the front-wheel drive cars are keeping up fine behind me. Now that we're not driving into the wind, it's a lot better. Get in this residential area. So far, I've only seen one almost accident where the Pizza Ranch guy came flying out, couldn't stop, almost hit the sign, got it under control, and had to turn the other direction because he went clear across the intersection. So side roads, definitely more manageable. Less blowing snow, a little easier to see. Roads are still full ice with snow on top. Sometimes I just want to slam on my brakes. Makes people ride you. Don't you just want to do that? That wouldn't be very nice, would it? Anti-lock brakes are on. And I did not slam on them. I promise. See if I just touched the gas. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo! Sideways. Just barely touching the gas. These side streets are obviously not plowed. Touching the gas just spins. Touching the brake, anti-lock. Still no four-wheel drive. Watch it start working like right when I get to my driveway. Way less traffic, that's for sure. So we're currently under a blizzard warning until 9 p.m. in Polk County, which includes Ankeny, Des Moines. I'm in Ankeny right now. I just drove from Des Moines to Ankeny. Drive that usually takes me under 10 minutes, we're at 17, so about double the drive time. I didn't take the interstates. I heard they're pretty bad, but still spinning. Just constantly spinning. This intersection's always bad. People come flying up that hill in the snow and the slide. Okay, we're almost home. Just a little ways here. 2 more blocks. It's actually a little better where it hasn't been driven on as much, so the snow is a little crunchier. Oh, there we go. Now we're sliding. Completely locked tires sliding. Still sliding. There we go. No cars. There's the spin. Gotta be solid ice in there. Alright, well, I successfully drove home with a 2-wheel drive vehicle. Although I will admit, near the golf course on 66, that was probably the worst. Barely touching the gas, the car would go sideways every time. So I had to go about 15. Here we are. Home. I made it. I didn't die. I should probably park my car on the side in case I need to get the other car out. Thanks for watching our live stream of our drive home. Watch when they get out of the car, it's going to be like, oh, nice, that's it. Because we're in the city. So all you folk who live in the city, in a residential area, look, it just looks so nice and peaceful out. There's nothing wrong. I can go to the store and get my bread and milk that people do. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to turn it off now.